There was another little crossing. After another little train went by. Okay. Any clue what type of bell that is? Because I have no clue.